Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. I know they reply. Oh, Allah. Maybe I never still wake up, but me, I don't wake up. Good morning, everyone. I want to let you all know that it's already morning and you have to wake up and kick up to something. My name is my parent, the Good Luck Chibike, aka Brown Highness Comedy. I too they smoke. You know? I know some people go they wonder why Highness did there, but now the condition, man, I no blame me, sha. Naija no good, but now our country, sha. If all of us put hands together, we fit still make am turn to better place. You know, at least if you agree and I agree, we go work together. But if only the Nigeria they agree, we wait inside, we know they agree. No go fit produce anything. Lie, nothing go happen. Rather it go worse. Or we now we go agree say okay, we'll make Nigeria a better place. Nigeria no come agree. You just say a problem with that. A very big problem. The one where they vex, see the one where they choke me, where they choke me like injection. I would think that happen for this time. If you get person where they Lagos, one they put them for prayer. Wanna see prayer requests. In fact, wanna do crusade for them from anywhere wanna do. Once you get person with the Lagos, problem day. But Lagos is a very nice place. I will not say bad about that, but the problem where they face here na transportation. The thing too much, seriously too much. I no fit hide them. Wallahi, they won't kill us. I don't know who be the. I don't know. I don't just understand. Okay, now imagine Vision 2020, but some people they 30 already. Some people ask me how. What might I tell you? Or I check out your salary where you work na 30,000. Your budget for the month 30,000. You no go budget pass your salary now. Your age 30. Imagine 30. On top your salary will be 30,000. I see am. You dey do work of 30,000. You dey Lagos, your house dey Ijabode. You know easy now to find house for this land. It is say easy. Now why people they sleep outside? Me now yesterday I see where they keep my head. Other days I dey outside seriously now I dey sleep outside and I don't dey used to mosquito. Mosquito self then don't become my friend seriously. If I wake up early in the morning, I will come out blood for them before I will come out. They go down high. If I, say my vein only Igbo film, so highness minding my body. So the thing self, they tire me again. Because they only try to sleep outside na mosquito. So they come out with their own blood separate. They come out blood for them. I beg. Mona hold this one. If maybe they get family meeting, sometimes I dey add. I will make as I do like this, broom self, me and broom they do competition now for size, but that one no be waiting bring me come. Your salary na 30,000. Where you dey stay to get to your working place, you dey spend 350 or 400. I leave 400, more talk 350 own. You don't come work 350. You don't go back 350. Forget food. I know they people where they work for here, they know they remember food sometimes. Me, 1 year I never chop, and I'm doing good though. I'm doing well. I'm doing well because even the food, the ones who I chop, they work for my body. So I don't get choice. I don't get choice. Now I can't imagine say to and fro to your working place now 700, and your salary na 30k, bros. Okay, no, just say you just manage chop only once 300. Meat no dey. Me I know they meat. Don't be meat. Waiting meat they work for, but the money and overs. Meat they okay. 300 Abi. That one how much? 700 plus 300. That's 1,000. If you they no just try say you chop 2 square meal, you're gone. You go borrow your salary finish. Seriously. People see, not only people where they this town and then go understand this thing why they talk like this now, because more than no say I don't hide. This morning I never hide. My eye clear. Yeah, you clear. Oh, you still the red ball. That one na screen saver, you know. As you take the red like that, I don't save am like that because country no good. If your eye too wide, they go think say you be gentleman. Make you kukuma red, make you kuku red. Make them know say your own day your body. Now, if you try chop 2 square meal, how much be that one? 1 tray. Your salary na 30K. Hey, bros. I go make am. Where that one go happen? When you dey spend 1 tray or 1,000 every day, your salary na 30,000. One of my neighbor won't can advise me. Now that one name man me pass. See advice. Say Brown. You know, I know say you never high now. You go get sense, listen to me. I say, thunder fire you. He say, well, that's your problem. Say he wants to advise me. I say, you advise me, bricklayer. You don't even get work, sef. Bros, not be the guy occupation they time me only say me self. Now me they help the guy sometimes when they go work. Now me they tip him. And they give a small tip when they go side. Sometimes they even work. I know if now one day way I don't know what to carry me go side. I can't notice say even the tip why they give that guy a waste. Because the guy they tell me say be bricklayer. In fact, I wonder, I don't know what the guy they work for site. But imagine the advice. Hello, Brown. Say just one advise me. Say all this one why they complain. Say my salary no big. All this one say na rubbish. Say him like this. Say all those money why they give him. You just small tell me true. Say all those small tip why they give him. Say they help him. See they help him. Say without know wetin they do. I say no. He say they go there bus stop. I say no be side. That day what I see for side and call. He say that they change hustle. I say Say they go there bus stop. Say I don't even want me complete them. I know where they go. Now I tell them blood of thunder as in I reject in Jesus. He say what thing I they reject? Say what I know how many people back when don't come. I say I know where you they go now. Why I don't want me you complete them? You they pickpocket abi? I say okay. I just waiting be the advice where they give me. I won't hear the advice. My brother I beg, my sister no verse. The guy say I resign. Say need vacancy there for inside. So as I thought like this, can't get big voice, can't get small height. Say you go, they useful. Say me and I go down there the bus stop, anyhow where you be. Say we're gonna survive. So why they? I want to imagine, say my condition don't worse. Who you they help now they advise you. I want to hold no face I beg. Now, truth of the matter about the thing is that, I beg, all this oga wey get company, I beg, one they help us. The thing hard. If on our staff know they tell on, make me and tell on, the thing hard. Hard. You go transport all this thing come at the end of the sea. Me as I do like this now, I don't borrow half of my salary. In fact, I don't even get half. I can't. This morning I wake up, I won't go work. One of my content is go, where you go? Work where you don't collect your salary finish. I don't collect my salary finish like this. So be like say na 7,500 now my salary remain. Na 30,000. I don't borrow 20-something thousand go now. You know go chop. Wait, you know go chop. Say that my own one bad pass. I better go. The thing tire me gone, but the thing is that one must learn how to help himself. Are you getting it? Yes. That one now one. But secondly, the thing don't be say, as I do like this now, never high. Because weed put money. I go bunk my buy weed, they say 130. Where the 30 naira? What's happen? Say everything they import the weed where they yeah? It's gone time me gone. So now waiting make as I do like this now. I no fit talk plenty because I never high. Strength day when I high. So I no verse I beg. Yeah? I just want to tell her. It see heat. Nepa me wanna give us light na Nepa. Waiting they happen. Nepa will go. Nepa who thief on our wife. I be person toast on our daughter. Waiting happen. This kind of heat we dey una no go fit bring light. The one where they tire me na the Nepa bill when you go come. The bill go come like say you and then get one business on run. Imagine for where they stay. I don't even get house. Where they go put my head. The guy say, they tell me the other day say Nepa bill come. What thing concern me? I they stay with you. He say yeah. Say you they sleep. I say me sleep for your house. You see as I they sweat. Someone I see him. The guy say I bring Nepa bill. I must be Nepa bill 2 times. I don't even they sleep there. Now the corridor they stay. Person where they sleep for corridor too, one pay NEPA. You say, I tell us I know they use light. They say, say that corridor why they sleep, say the light. I say, I beg, come on the bulb, off the light. off the light. Off I beg, no verse. Once I don't carry my mat, come if you see me off the light, put them automatic. If the light see me, may off. I beg. So the one where they pay me say, mosquito where they there, the mosquito they don't know me. Once I they carry my mat, once they don't knock pagam 9, I don't carry my mat, they go there. Once I don't read their mosquito, only mosquito go just say, go tap him brother say, that boy don't they come, that boy blood no good, I beg. Move shift. That boy blood no good, I beg. The other one wild up now, so I go jump trailer. See, that guy they mean no say man pay NEPA bill 2005. I say, yeah, 25. You dey even talk 2000. Why you go increase na 2? He say na 25. Say make mistakes. Say na 25. I say me. I say no wahala. Shey na the salary why I don't chop finish now I want from give you because I no go thief give you money now. He say even house rent. So I go begin dey pay house rent. Say people like say as I take the snow if I dey sleep there they disturb am inside. Say him wey dey stay inside the backroom. Him no dey sleep well, but why me wey dey the outside? So I go dey snore sef. I say, wetin concern me? Person wey sleep sweet, no be him go snore. So be small problem o. Even just imagine for Kpako, him dey sleep inside Kpako, me I dey the Kpako passage. The Kpako full o, he full, no space. The one wey dey tire me, him girlfriend sef dey sleep inside there. In fact, hey, Lagos, God go help us, abeg. God go help us. Abeg, shey, hi. This thing don't come over. Hey. Okay, you know wetin go happen when I know the verse. I just say my alert now. These two things what I talk now, especially this NEPA own. NEPA abeg. If this my media reach una, wanna do something abeg. Heat day. Like so when I get AC. The last time when I go NEPA house na generator, I pass my neighbor now they blow. Now wetin make lights sometimes you know they full. I pass my neighbor they use for there. Seriously. NEPA, man I no verse so now my house will do this so. Seriously. They monthly pay no pay me at all. Me I just want change hustle. I don't change am like this, I beg. On my own idea. May everybody just dey lane. Yeah, I know they disturb anybody. Only thing they say he dey. Okay. Light day here. Huh? I even do come up for here. I don't know wetin carry me come. Light day here. This one na list I dey on. This thing na the place where they work, where they give me this chicken money where they collect. I don't chop my salary finish. NEPA, abeg. Muna do something, abeg. Muna do. Even fan now, See, fan they blow. Now fan they produce the heat now. I know see I see. I say even AC people, some people when they use AC they complain too. Nowadays, I just imagine say the only handwork we no go feel fine for this life now, presently, na AC people. If you want to see AC man, you don't need to call anybody. Waka come your bus stop stand. You must see even I can't wonder even all of them na AC. I see 15 people carry cylinder at the same time. What happen? Shey that one unemployment because I don't understand though. I just see cylinder. Me too. I go carry cylinder begin the waka seriously. The problem will come be when they tell you when they can't call you for work. Now there you go act funny, but no wahala sha. NEPA, I beg. I tell God beg on anything we will do now. Mona forgive us. I beg. Mona show light. No be early in the morning like this. When person won't leave in house, no one I go flash am. When I go flash am, maybe like say something won't happen. But once the person don't reach bus stop, when I don't take am, I beg. I tell God beg on. I say as I dey sweat like Christmas goods. I don't even recognize myself. Shey I mean, see this face when I dey see not be my original face. I dey tell you this thing na face we just come. A new face be this. This thing not be my original face. Because I no even dey like this for real life. If you see me, I no dey like this. But no wahala sha. I don resume work this morning. Mona no ask me wetin I dey work o, abeg. That one na where wahala dey. Because if una dey ask me wetin I dey work, I no know wetin I go talk o. But bye for now, abeg. My people abeg. See, Mona help me oh. This thing now, as e dey like this now. Hustle no pay oh. Hustle, you no pay. I want to make I join this business oh. Me I dey talk my I no dey connect anybody. I dey tell una as e dey be. Mona subscribe oh. Now see whether life go change. Life need to change. If I come this Lekki finish, come up for this town empty hand, I no carry Benz. My mama go vex oh. My mama go vex. I dey tell you, and the woman dey provoke sometimes. The girl as the woman dey tell provoke. So abeg, e dey flash me now. Ma answer am. I know say na money matter, but I don chop my salary finish. But ma hear wetin my mama wan tell me. Abeg, I tell God beg una. Una subscribe. No worry, the joke go funny later. Now na reality we dey. See it. See as I dey sweat. Una dey see the sweat. Shey na so human being suppose dey. Abeg, NEPA. Una do something. Abeg. Abeg. Ma enter street I enter street right now. My hustle no be here where I dey. When I no go look side, I dey work for better place. Later on, I go know wetin I dey work. I get handwork, but I go